I shared a couple negative things too. No, I'm just kidding. I shared all the positive things. Here's what I shared. You're going to make a lot of people happy today. I talk in the book about compliments under being positive. We didn't go deep into it. But literally, Mark Twain said, I can live on a good compliment for 2 months. There are compliments that I've received that I've lived on all my life. You don't know the impact you're going to have on people's lives with a positive. And it's not just because I'm positive affirmations. Another example, I didn't know you could, these are two makeup kind of things, but I didn't know that you could paint eyebrows on. Yeah, this was new to me. And she said she'd painted one on in the morning and didn't paint the other. And she's walking around the office with one painted and one not. Nobody's telling her. And she said, now this is a group, this is really funny. She said, this is a group in which everybody in that room said they would tell you. If you had spinach in your teeth, they would tell you. And she looked at 3 of those teammates and she said, I walked around you for 3 hours and you didn't tell me that I had one eyebrow on and one eyebrow off. We got to be bold, direct, and honest. Do our teammates want us to be? Absolutely. But there are consequences when we're not bold, direct, and honest. Let's talk about those outside of these embarrassing things, because we can go down the road as a teammate with something. If somebody was able to be more bold, direct, and honest without us soliciting the feedback, it could have changed the direction of where we were heading. But the 2 areas I want to focus on are proactively seeking feedback from others and demonstrating gratitude, showing gratitude, feeling gratitude. So my wife and I, her name is Terry. We were in an argument one afternoon. Anybody never argue as a couple? Don't raise your hand. It makes me feel bad.
35 years.
Is that right?
In fact.
Awesome. Good job. Not me. We've had some disagreements. And in this particular one, I just got tired. I was like, honey, just give me 5 things I can work on, and I'll go to work. And I thought, that'll take her a day or 2. Maybe she'll even forget. But she was back in 2 minutes. I'm not kidding you. 2 minutes with that list. Like she had been thinking about that list for a long time. These are 5 things I didn't know about myself. And I was committed. I made the choice to take that list of 5 things, and I took it with me everywhere I went. I was on a consulting trip. South Dakota. Why I remember that, I don't know. But it was South Dakota. And I had packed this list, because I brought the list with me, and I packed it underneath my suitcase where nobody hopefully would find it. Because my little airport in Cedar City, you ever seen one of these? TSA. That one's in Spanish. Notice of bag inspection. My bag gets inspected every single time. I'm not kidding you. Every single time. I just pulled this out of my bag coming here. And in fact, not only that, they inspected all these books too that I brought. They had that like taped with inspected, and they were all messed up. But anyway, that's another story. This list was actually on top of my bag. So I took the list, I took a look at it, and my wife had added 5 more things to the list. And I thought, be careful what you ask for, right? But no, I needed to know those things. Those are things I didn't know about myself. This is actually a picture of my wife. I'm just kidding. That's not her. This is actually a picture of her. And she's wonderful, and she's kind, and she's beautiful. What I find amazing is after 8 babies, I'm the only one that gained weight every pregnancy. But she's willing to give me feedback, and you know what? Because she does, I trust her. See, we trust people who are willing to give us direct, honest feedback.